In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your onlinejobs.ph account securely and efficiently. Whether you found the perfect job or just need a temporary break from job hunting, following these steps will ensure your profile is effectively taken offline. We'll walk through the process of changing your account status, making sure everything is crystal clear and offering useful tips along the way. First, let's start by logging into your onlinejobs.ph account. It's essential to ensure you've got the correct login details ready. Take a moment to enter your email and password, and you'll find yourself at the familiar home page. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the job seeker's dashboard. This is the central hub where all your account activities are managed. Now, to proceed with deactivating your account, you'll need to locate the options drop-down menu. You'll typically find this by clicking on your account name at the top right corner of the dashboard. It's your main navigation tool to manage your account settings and visibility. Once you've clicked on your name, a menu will drop down revealing several options. From this list, you'll choose your personal account settings. This includes everything related to your profile visibility and account status. Here you'll see the current setting of your account. If you're actively using onlinejobs.ph to find a job, your status will likely be set to active. To deactivate your account, you'll need to change this status to inactive. Doing so will temporarily remove your profile from public visibility and suspend any active engagement with potential employers on the platform. Click on the status option and switch it to inactive. You'll probably be prompted to confirm that you wish to make this change. Be sure to click confirm to enforce the new setting. This straightforward process effectively ensures that your account is temporarily no longer visible on the platform. No potential employers will be able to view your profile or send you job offers. However, should you decide to return, you can simply reverse this process by setting your account back to active. If throughout this process you're encountering any issues or you have specific questions, don't hesitate to reach out to onlinejobs.ph support for assistance. They're there to help resolve any problems and ensure your experience on the platform is as smooth as possible. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to deactivate your onlinejobs.ph account. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you managed to successfully take your profile offline. Don't forget to check out other videos for tips and tutorials on managing your online professional profiles. Have a great day.